Today we decided to make a really easy but amazingly tasty Japanese dish called yakitori. We didn't have a grill, so we made one using a simple baking form and a drill. Yakitori means literally grilled chicken and is one of the most popular Japanese street food. Good morning, this is Patricia. Welcome to P&J Food Story channel. Today we're gonna do Japanese yakitori. Jihun just went to the shop to buy some chicken, the Turkish market, because the chicken there is the best. I went to the other market because we need charcoal. Yeah, so Japanese grill today, I can't wait. Hey, I think I spotted him. He's coming, he's coming. Sagia! Sagia! Wow, great timing! What did you buy?
스테이크랑 블루베리 그리고 딸기
좋아요.
커튼 캔디.
So basically this is DIY indoor grill. Are you sure this is okay idea? 타람 DIY 야키토리 그릴. 멋지지? 궁금해요. 어떻게 되는지. 좋아요, 이 냄새. This type of skewered chicken is glazed with a special sauce made of mirin, which is Japanese wine, soy sauce, and sugar. This is the most entertaining part now. I bet nobody ever has done yakitori like we are gonna do now.
신기해.
putting the skewer directly on the form wasn't the best idea.
와, 타버리네.
이것도 looks good.
오래 걸려. 거의 다 익었으면 70에서 80% 정도 익었으면 그때 이제 하고 조금 더 구워주는 거. 설탕이 들어가서
네.
하거든요. 근데 이제 색깔이 이쁘게 나와. 그거죠. 맛있어.
네. It's good? Yay! Homemade. Really good. This is so much better than the breast. It's chicken steak, yeah? Yeah, had a lot of fat and it give the delicious taste.
껍질. 지금
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do consider subscribing for more food vlogs every week. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!